So welcome guys to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be learning how to solve the fingerprint issue on your Windows 10, 11 or any other Windows. So let's learn how to solve this. So go ahead to your Windows. The next thing to check on is your settings. So I want to be showing you the exact same thing you are seeing right now whenever you try to access it. So going ahead to accounts, then sign in info on your PC. So if you scroll down, you're going to look at this sign in options, then I'm going to see this. So you can see the fingerprint recognition is not available. As you can see, we couldn't find the finger whatsoever. So this is basically no issue. At the end of this video, you should have your fingerprint option back and your issue solved. So close it, go ahead to your Windows and search for device manager. So the first thing we'll be doing here is to search for device manager, then open our device manager here on your device manager. Try to locate biometric device. So you can see biometric device here. If you don't have this option, go ahead, tap on anywhere on your system and click on show hidden device. So it's going to bring it out, and if you can't still find it, click on actions and scan for hardware changes. So once you are done, it's going to show you something like this right here. So the next thing to do is to tap on synaptics, then that is what is containing your fingerprint. So it's a driver for your fingerprint. You're going to double tap on this. The next thing to do, as you can see, this device is disabled or is not working properly. The next thing to do is to go ahead to the driver or click on enable device. So I'll just go ahead to enable my device here and click on next. So my system is going to enable my driver, and you can see from here I'm going to click on close. I can close it. I have no issues here with it. So if yours is not like this, keep on watching this video as we will solve your issue. So let me go ahead and test if my problem is solved here. I'm going to head to my settings and I'm going to go straight to my accounts, to see if it has worked. Then straight I'm going to go to my sign in options. So after sign in options, fingerprint, so you can see I can sign in, I can set up a fingerprint, and I can remove. So that is already working. If yours isn't working, no issue, keep on watching this video. We're going to get your problem solved for you. So go ahead to close your settings and listen to the remaining steps to do. So click on your Windows, then open up your store to download a particular app that's going to install all drivers for you. So let's go ahead to search for the app right here on our store. Please take this time to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get more things like this and updates and everything. So thank you very much for that. So go ahead to search here and type driver booster. So I'm going to be searching for driver booster. That is the name of the app or software that's going to help us install everything we need here in our Windows 11 to solve this issue. So I'm going to click on IUBit driver booster. So this is what I'm going to be clicking on here. So the next thing is to install this driver into your PC. So I have mine installed already and I'll just be opening it. So once you open your driver booster, you have to try to update everything there in the application. So update all the drivers here. So you can see I've updated my drivers here, and that's the reason why mine is working properly. So make sure everything is up to date and take your time to update everything and restart your PC as soon as you've updated your computer. So this is another method. If this method also doesn't work for you, let's go ahead to check the other methods. So I'll be closing this too, and I'm going to go ahead to my Windows to search for device manager. So open device manager again after you've updated and restarted your PC and your issue did not solve. Let me maximize this and go ahead to my biometric device. I'm going to be opening my synaptics and I'm going to try to update my driver. So I'm going to click on update driver here, and I'm going to click on browse my computer. Then the next one lets me pick from available devices on my computer. I'm going to tap on this next. Then you can see different options. So I'm going to click on one of anyone that might work for my PC and install the driver. So I'm going to click on close. So this way I have just updated this driver on my system and try to see if it's going to work. Restart your PC first and test it to see if it's going to work. I'm going to close this and I'm going to show you now the last method on how to check it after restarting your PC. Go ahead now to your Windows and search for service apps. I'm going to be searching for service here on my Windows 11. So I'm going to open my application, and the next thing to do here is to look for Windows biometric services. So you can just look for it. It's very fast by clicking on W on your keyboard, or WIN on your keyboard. So once you type that fast, you will get your Windows biometric service, and make sure everything here is on automatic and it is running. So, and the start is already clicked on. So, and come over to the log and click on the first option. Then after everything is done, click this on automatic and make sure it's done, and click on apply and okay. So if you have all this done, your fingerprint should definitely work. If it doesn't, drop your feedback in the comment section. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Bye.